everyone, welcome back to Lottie. So today's video is another video for Halloween. So today I am doing a Halloween cat look. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So to start off with, as usual, I just do my brows. So I fill them in, I pop some gel on, and then I clean them up with my concealer. I then jump into my eye primer and just place that on my eyes just to get them ready for the eyeshadow. For today's look, I'm using the Purxrawbeautykristi Cross Pure Cosmetics palette, and I'm just jumping into the shade Told You on the neutral side, and I'm just placing that in my crease, and I'm starting off with a small amount of pigment and just building up as needed. And whenever I need it to be a bit more pigmented, I just go in and pack it on. I then darken it up with You're Not My Real Dad and just make a smoky effect on the outer corners. I then go into Copper Boxes and Lumos and pop that on the rest of my lid. And over top I place Golden Ticket. And then do a small winged eyeliner. For lashes, I just pop on some lash primer and mascara, and then I use some false lashes from Nikki Joy Cosmetics. Once I've got the eyes to where I want them, I then move on to my face. I'm just using my staple products, so my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Mattifying Foundation in 110 Rose Vanilla, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 12B Fair Beige, and then I set everything in place with my Nikki Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. I then bronze my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I pop some blush on from Flower Beauty in Warm Hibiscus. Using my Sephora black eyeliner pencil, I place that along the lower lash line, and then I just grab a clean blending brush and I just smudge it around so it looks smoky on my lower lash line. Using my KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner in Satin Black, I just place the edges of the cat eyes on now that I have everything else in place. Then I go in with my Maybelline Tattoo eyeshadow and I just use the colour white. I just place that around the inner cat eye corners, and then I use my Super Shock shadow from Colourpop and I just place that on the same areas just to give me a nice highlight around those cat eyes. I also pop some of the Super Shock shadow on my lower lash line just underneath that smoky black eyeliner. I then use the same eyeliner pencil and I draw the outline for the cat nose, and then I just use the same eyeliner to colour it all in. I start off with the outline and slowly make it a little bit bigger just so it is easier to fix up if I make any mistakes. I then outline my lips and I do overdraw them so that I have the full cat lips. Using a liquid eyeliner, I just pop on the dots and the whiskers. I then fill in the lips with a black lipstick. This one is now no longer sold, but any black lipstick will work. Otherwise, you could also just use the eyeliner. I then pop some mascara on my lower lashes. I then use the Super Shock shadow again, and I just place that on my nose to make it look like as though I have a wet cat nose. And then I pop a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and I also pop some on my brow bones. I I then popped some more highlighter on all the normal highlighting spots, so my nose, my inner corner and my cheeks. And that is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to head over to my Instagram. I post fun little reels like this and other content that doesn't make YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!